This first attempt on March the 1st was quite surprising for us. I had seen reviews saying that the track was uneven and not in the best condition, but I thought, well, maybe that's just someone being dramatic. But they weren't. As you can see at the end of this bridge, the track just suddenly stops. As you can see, while it's beautiful, there is a piece of yellow caution tape, so just be careful. If you're not prepared to cross the river, don't go from Phyllis Reserve. There is a footbridge which connects the path to Waterview Downs off Great North Road, where you can rejoin the track on the Waterview shared path.
There's one right there. Hello, duckies.
Along the creek, you'll notice a number of ducks, as well as a third path connecting to Phyllis Reserve one way and Great North Road the other way. Fun fact number 1, this was originally actually a quarry, and fun fact number 2, that gabion basket wall serves as a protection feature for the creatures that roam in the forest. As you can see, attempt 2 on the 9th of March. We parked in Oakley Avenue and walked across to Waterview Glades. Beside the Teparinga Bridge is a beautiful map of the river. Now, yes, ChatGPT told me to go left after the footbridge, and typically you would. However, as you can see, there is construction work going on. So it was back across the bridge and just staying on the Waterview shared path until the north entry. A little note on AI, I know that there are drawbacks to it and I don't use it for everything, but in this case, I don't think I would have found out about this end of the path if it wasn't for chatting to ChatGPT.
Yep, found it.
This end of the path has had some excellent work done, and I really like how it cuts through the middle but without touching any of the beautiful nature surrounding it. As you can see, the path is dotted with boardwalks and footbridges, which can make for a nice change between the sections of concreted path. I haven't yet been up to the sanctuary gardens, but as you can see, there are signs along the path pointing you in the correct direction.
Oh, reflections.
Also, the path pointing to the right is another entry from Great North Road, but down some steps. So if you would prefer the flatter side, then keep going past the steps until you get to the green sign.
Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello, duckies. You're going to guide us.
Hello, ducky.
Wow. Go on. Go on. Yes.
God, I'm like,
Quack, 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 quack,
I
quack.
see that there's some board there. Wow.
Hello there.
Oh, it's a giraffe. Look at him. Nearly bumped into the bank.
Oh, oh, quick. Quick. Quack, 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 quack. Can definitely tell we're further in the bush because it's really nice and cool now.
It's got an eye.
This is the final footbridge before the waterfall. Once you reach the end of that, you're going to want to turn left, and then when you reach that sign, turn left again and go down the track to the waterfall. Overall, totally worth it. It's a beautiful scenic walk, and while there are parts of the track that still need to be fixed, once you reach the bottom of the hill, you are treated with the most glorious view of the waterfall, which is described as a hidden gem in an urban jungle. And
There's a seat.
you can totally see why. After you're done, head up the stairs to Great North Road and go and visit Sandu at Dazzling Cup Cafe.